actually doing house tour right now.
Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is titingnan natin kung ano yung nasa loob ng bahay namin. We will be having a house tour. So pasok kayo sa bahay namin. So dito guys, pagkabukas ng gate namin is makikita nyo yung aming mga garden. Which is tinayo ng aking mother. At siya rin ang nagtanim nitong lahat. So mahilig siya sa tanim and also my father. So, tara! Kung gusto niyo bumili ng tanim, may mga tinitinda dito mother ko. Joke lang.
I don't really know what I'm doing right there. Is that even a joke, Nika?
And here, nandito naman yung aming gruto, which is also a fish pond. At nandito yung mga isda. And also, nandito naman si Mama Mary. So, yup. So guys, makikita niyo yung aming house dito. So, I really hope na nagustuhan ninyo ang aming bahay. And here's my puppy. Her name is Sophie. So, tara na! At pasok na tayo sa aming bahay. Let's go! So, dito is may maliit kami na gate para lang hindi lumabas yung aso. Kita nyo guys, dito ang aming terrace. So, here is medyo magulo, pagpasensyahan nyo na. Pasok na tayo sa bahay namin. So, ito ang loob ng aming bahay. At ang best part dito is may chandelier kami. So, here is, I'll just try to open it. Ta-da! So, tara. Nandito ang aming white Christmas tree. Super ganda niya. We love blue and white colors. I think that it actually looks pretty. And also here are some of my paintings. Here. If you want a commission, then just message me on Facebook or maybe on Instagram. And nandito naman ang aking sister. Dito kami lagi nagsistay pag kami may family bonding or minsan is while we are watching movies or maybe also playing some games. Lagi namin ginagawa yun ng aming father. So, here's a picture of my mother and also my father. And this is me nung bata pa ako and also nung princess. Sorry kung maitim ako pero hindi talaga ako maitim. Dito lang talaga sa picture nito. So guys, pasok na tayo dito sa kwarto ng aking sister. Let's go! So ito lang yung kwarto niya. Sorry kung medyo magulo. Magulo lang talaga sila. So yun. Here's just her room. Actually, may iba pang tumutulog dito which is yung pinsan ko. At tara naman sa kwarto ng aking mother and father. Let's go! So guys, ito ang kwarto ng aking mother and father. Here's their bed. And also, ang nakakatawa dito is yung kanilang CR. Kita mo lahat. As in lahat. Ito na lang pangit. So guys, ito lang yung CR nila. Yup. So, may malaki lang salamin. And also, a bathtub. Okay, so let's go upstairs. Or maybe let's go first to the kitchen. Let's go! So, dito kami laging kumakain pag Christmas or sometimes pag lagi may okasyon, laging dito kami kumakain. But, lagi kami kumakain pag tanghalian or hapunan doon sa labas na kagaya ng pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. And let's go to the kitchen. This is our kitchen. Sorry kung medyo magulo. I don't know what to say. I don't do much here. I don't actually cook. So, doon tayo. Kasi may isa pang kitchen doon. Actually, tatlo ang kitchen namin dito eh. Isa dito, tapos isa din dito. Yup. Tapos, may CR din kami dito. Actually, yung CR namin is tatlo dito sa bahay. Isa for the visitors and also isa sa mother and father ko. And lastly, isa sa akin, sa kwarto ko. So, ito ang pangatlong kitchen. Here. So guys, this is the main kitchen, and that kitchen that I told you is actually the dirty kitchen. So, yeah, nakita niyo na ang aming kitchen. And also, I'm gonna show you my painting here, which I am really, really proud of. Here. Ganda, diba? So, tara na. Pumunta na tayo sa taas. Medyo mahihilo ka lang nung una, pero pag sanay ka na, pwede ka na magpatak-patak dyan. Like yun. So, guys, dito na tayo sa aming second floor. And the beautiful thing about this place is I really love his gold thing. So, papakita ko lang sa inyo yung aking painting. Ito, parrot. And hindi ko pa siya tapos. So, kung meron man gustong bumili sa inyo, then just PM me. And also, guys, yung father ko is maraming ganitong collection. Here are also some of my paintings. This painting is actually really big. So yeah, matagal ko rin siyang nagawa. Bata pa ako nung nagawa ko to. It's actually 2017 ko pa siya nagawa. Dito naman yung aking ibang mga paintings. Yup, and so guys, napasok na tayo sa aking kwarto. Come on. So, nandito ang aking kwarto. At ito lang siya, simple lang. Here are some of the stuffs that I use in my pageant. Here are some of my collections. Here is my bed. Yeah. My bed with my puppy. Sorry, daddy, kung makita mo to. Alam ko magagalit ka sa akin. No dogs allowed in the bed. Here are some of the teddy bears that I just bought on my birthday. And also, I have this lampshade. It's super cute. And also, I have this. And this. Tapos nandito rin yung aking sa protein shake. Hindi ko pa siya nakukuha na. Ito yung aking mga sash. Dito lang siya nakalagay. Papaplanuhan ko pa lang. Papi! Come here! I love you! So yeah, may trick yung aking coffee. Lagi siya naglalakad ng pataya. So guys, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyong isa kong CR. So, come here. Ito lang siya, nothing much. Simple lang siya. Pero may shower siya and also pwede lang siya sa ganito. So yung pagkakanta-kanta, dinig na dinig mo lahat. So guys, let's go na. Doon tayo sa isa. I will show you isa sa aming terrace dito sa taas. So here it is. Dito lang yung father ko pag lagi sila nag-iinuman ng kanilang mga friends. Here is a nice place to relax. Probinsya talaga ang dating niya. So yeah. Let's go to the next room. Actually, 4 ang room namin dito sa bahay. Dapat ito magiging art room ko, pero ginamit na lang nung kasamahan namin sa bahay. Yup, hindi na ako masyadong magpapakita kasi yun lang yun. It's just a bed. So, let's go here. Ito is yung isa pang terrace dito sa amin sa second floor. And as you can see here is super ganda talaga, nakaka-relax. Actually, nung bata pa ako, or minsan pag brand out dito sa Marinduque, lagi kami dito natutulog para mahangin and also nakaka-relax. Especially pag tinitingnan mo yung sky na maraming mga stars and super enjoy, lalo na pag nagkakwentuhan kayong mga friends. So come here and let's go to the next room. And guys, dito na tayo pupunta sa isa. So guys, nandito na tayo sa loob at makikita niyo dito yung chandelier namin and also yung sala namin. Actually, maganda nga dito mag-photoshoot eh. Minsan dito kami mag-photoshoot. So come, let's go downstairs and let's look at our garden. Let's go down. isang puno namin ng papaya. Actually guys, mahilig talaga yung family ko sa mga plants. And also, lalo na ako kasi ang advocacy ko talaga is saving our mother nature. So, as much as possible is gusto ko talaga magtanim ng mga trees or even plants para naman makatulong ako sa ating ekonomiya. So, sana din guys, kayo din gawin nyo rin yun. Yeah. So guys, nandito naman ang aming garahe. Yup. Diyan lang naman nakapark yung aming tricycle and also motor. And nandito din yung iba't ibang puno namin. Nandito naman yung tinanim ng aking mother na mga gulay, kagaya ng kamatis. Well, kamatis is actually part of a fruit, but sasabihin na natin gulay siya. So here, hindi pa siya masyadong ganun ka-okay. So dito naman sa part na to is nagsistart pa lang ayusin. And here is our tomatoes. So let's come here and just look at that beautiful and sweet and juicy tomatoes. Nakakatuwa lang kasi kami na mismo yung nagtatanim para sa amin. Tapos kukuha na lang kami. You know, lansones season na is lagi kami kumukuha dito sa taas. Yup, that is a lansones tree. And super sarap ng bunga niya, as in super. Napakaganda talaga dito sa aming place. As in, kung gusto niyo talaga mag-relax, this is a beautiful place to stay. That's the reason why my father really loves to stay here when he's out of work. And also me, when I am on vacation, I really love to stay here and try not to use social media as much as possible. So guys, let's go to the next place. Guys, nandito naman tayo sa isang box plant. And here makikita nyo is kalabasa, pangpalinaw ng mata, which is my favorite. So guys, nakakatuwa lang talaga. Kasi super daming bunga. Sana yan. At dito naman is nagsistart rin lang kami. Pero mayroon na kaming naumpisahan, which is here is the tomatoes. And here guys, we have a eggplant and it is starting to grow. Dito naman is yung business ng aking mother, which is yung catering. And still hindi pa siya tapos, but we are working on it. Baka magkaroon ako dito ng place, which is my art room area. So it might be here guys, dito. Sa place na to. Or maybe mga pang walk-walk ko dyan. Sa akong paglampas sa pageant. Yan. So yep, this is probably the end of this. So guys, I will probably end this vlog now. I really hope that you guys enjoy this video, which is my house tour, the Blackburns house tour. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also, you are already here in my channel, so please subscribe. And please also click that notification bell so you won't miss my videos. And I will see you guys on my next vlog. Bye-bye!
At least until the sun goes down. When you're gone